How to scan documents as PDF on Samsung Galaxy. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can scan documents as PDF on your Samsung Galaxy S24 and S24 Ultra. The first thing you want to do is open up the camera app on your device. Now tap on the gear icon at the top left corner and here toggle on the option of Scan Documents and Text. Once that option is toggled on, you simply want to take a picture of the document that you want to scan. Now, you will get the option of scan, so make sure that you have scanned your document. Once that is done, you want to tap on these three dots. Now tap on the print option. Here, you want to tap on this drop down and have the option of save as PDF. Go ahead and tap on that. Then tap on this yellow icon over here which says PDF. Now you want to select a folder where you want to put this. Now go ahead and tap on the save option. Once that is done, you can now head over to your files and go to the folder where you have saved that document. And here, as you can see, the PDF file has been saved. Now you can open it from the PDF reader in this way. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.